Welcome back, Hornets. It's a beautiful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Preston.
And I'm Noah. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today for lunch, we'll be having chili corn chips, fresh broccoli, a cinnamon roll, pineapple, and as always, a cold milk.
Now, let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Here's today's top 5 news stories. Denver hosts a 31-mile Taco Bell run. Domino's launches first rebrand in 10 years. Bob Ross painting goes up for auction starting in November. Banana Ball coming to Wichita in 2026 at Equity Park Bank. International eBay seller charges $10,000 fee on $20 kitchen tool.
Debate Gulagram.
Send a message to a friend that includes a drink and a candy bar. See a debate team member to order, delivered on Friday, October 31st.
See Miss Pounds in A46 or Mr. Cavella in B04 or C07 to order.
Next, here is today's word and quote of the day.
Fable. Of a feeling or atmosphere, so intense as to seem almost tangible.
Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Helen Keller.
With everyone getting Halloween costumes ready, we want to know, what superpower would you like to have?
My name is Haley.
My name is Izzy.
And our superpower would be teleportation.
My name is Caitlin, and my superpower would be invisibility.
My name's Phoenix, and my superpower would be flight.
Speaking of costumes, we don't see many video game characters, so let's hear about some of your favorite video game characters.
My name is Addie, and my favorite Clash character is Megan.
I'm Miss Pound, and my favorite, character? Clash Royale character is Mario and Luigi.
I'm Micah, and my favorite Clash character would probably be Magic Archer.
My name is Preston Cook, and my favorite Clash Royale card is Mini P.E.K.K.A.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
And I'm Freddy.
My favorite Clash Royale character is Hog Rider.
Mine is Mini P.E.K.K.A.
My name is Nigel Secondine, and my favorite card is Golem.
And as the week beginning to cool off, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I am Savion Foster, and here is today's weather. Today we will have a high of 71 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight we will have a low of 52 degrees with possible rain and showers.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
October 23, 1983. In Lebanon, a suicide truck bomb strikes U.S. Marine headquarters at Beirut International Airport. The blast kills 241 Marines and American sailors, part of an international peacekeeping force. At about the same time, another attack kills 58 French paratroopers. President Ronald Reagan.
We must not allow international criminals and thugs such as these to undermine the peace in Lebanon.
Within weeks, Reagan starts withdrawing U.S. forces from the Mideast country. 1956. In Eastern Europe, a Cold War uprising behind the Iron Curtain. Students in Hungary spark a spontaneous revolt against their communist rulers in the capital, Budapest. As the revolution spreads, Soviet forces enter the country, crushing the uprising within weeks. 1973. President Richard Nixon agrees to turn over White House tape recordings to Judge John J. Sirica. The tapes, sought by the Watergate special prosecutor, are a flashpoint in the scandal that ultimately drives Nixon from office. 2006. Former Enron CEO Jeffrey Skilling is sentenced to 24 months, 4 years in prison for his role in the company's 2001 collapse. Enron's demise wiped out thousands of jobs, more than $60 billion in market value, and more than $2 billion in pension plans at what had been the 7th largest company in the country. And 1925. Johnny Carson, TV's king of late night for 3 decades as host of NBC's The Tonight Show, is born in Corning, Iowa. Day in History, October 23rd. Carlotta Bradley, The Associated Press.